Hello there, welcome to today's presentation. Today we'll be talking about the differences between IVF babies and babies born by natural conception. IVF, which stands for in vitro fertilization, and natural conception are two different methods of achieving pregnancy, but the resulting babies are generally not very different. Here are some key points to understand the similarities and differences between both. Let's talk about the similarities first. 1. Development. Once a baby is conceived through either method, their development in the womb and the health of the pregnancy is usually the same. The next is physical and mental health. Most research suggests that babies conceived through IVF are just as healthy physically and mentally as those conceived by natural conception. We will now be talking about the differences. The first difference here will be in conception process. The main difference is the method of conception. In natural conception, the sperm fertilizes the eggs inside the woman's body. In IVF fertilization, fertilization occurs in laboratory, and the resulting embryo is implanted in the woman's uterus. Another difference will be in the health risks. IVF may carry slightly higher risks for certain pregnancy-related complications, for instance, preterm birth or low birth weight, as compared to natural conception. However, these risks can be influenced by factors such as the mother's age, the mother's health, and the mother's fertility history. Another difference here will be ethical and moral considerations. Some people may have ethical concerns about IVF due to the manipulation of human embryos or other aspects of the process. We also talk about parental age as one of the differences. Parents who use IVF may be older on the average than those who conceive naturally. Advanced parental age can actually influence certain health outcomes for the baby. We'll also consider cost and accessibility as one of the differences. IVF can be expensive and may not be very accessible to everyone, which can actually influence who is able to use this method of conception. So in summary, while there are some differences in the conception process and potential risks associated with IVF babies, babies born through IVF and natural conception are usually similar in terms of their health as well as their development. Thank you for joining us today. This presentation was brought to you by Care Fertility Hospital, Nigeria's best IVF center with one of the highest success rates across Africa. Join us next time. Thank you for now. Bye-bye. Cheers.